Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of April 23rd, 2021. Here are some upcoming events. This Monday, April 19th through May 2nd is our spring virtual Scholastic Book Fair. The link to virtually attend the book fair is www.scholastic.com/bf/Palm Beach Maritime Academy. I will also email this link to parents who would like to purchase great books for their students while supporting our school. On April 23rd, secondary report cards went home. Distance learning students have had them mailed home. Elementary progress reports went home also. Teacher Appreciation Week is May 3rd until May 7th. The last day of school will be Friday, June 18th. Here is the high school testing information. Here is the middle school testing information. And this is the elementary testing information. Last week, the Rotary Club of Palm Beach virtually presented to our third graders. They donated beautiful dictionaries and showed the students how to use them. Let's take a look.
And now, let's take a look at how we celebrated Earth Day at PBMA.
So today's agenda says, Happy Earth Day, scientists. We're going to continue with Unit 8, getting into topic number 2, which is about heredity, which is how traits are inherited by all living things on our planets. They are the traits that make you, you, and that make me, me. And this is what makes life on our planet possible. So happy Earth Day again. Let's keep exploring the genetic biology that makes all the life on our planet possible.
Hi, I'm Angelina Morales from Miss Gomes' science class, and we've been growing plants out here for our garden.
Hi, I'm Sienna Martinez, also from Miss Gomes' 10th grade chemistry class.
We're growing potato, garlic, and we have a few bonsai trees growing. And we're hoping to grow other things later in the year.
Oh, in the future we want to grow lavender plants and fruit or vegetables.
And remember, everyone have a great Earth Day.
Here's Miss Fisher with another favorite Baccarat Gallery picture.
Hey PBMA, Miss Fisher here. I have DeAndre with me, and he's going to share his favorite Steve McCurry picture. Go ahead, DeAndre. Why is this one your favorite?
Because the little girl is cute, and I like her clothes, and it has my favorite color.
Excellent job. Well, thank you for sharing, and we'll see you soon with some more students and their favorite work around the school. Have a great day.
Here's Miss Robinson to tell us all about PBMA Summer Camp.
PBMA family, my name is Miss Robinson, After School Director. I am glad to announce our summer camp for this year. We will be hosting a 5-week program starting June 22nd to July 23rd. Please take advantage of this because our space are limited. Please pick up your applications at our front desk. Our summer camp will be filled with field trips, fun, and lots of activities. We are also accepting applications for kindergarten through 5th grade. We're also accepting anyone that is not in our current program. They are able to apply at a sibling discounted rate. Again, if you have any questions, please contact our front office. Thank you.
Congratulations to our secondary honor roll students.
Congratulations to all of our honor roll students who earned the A's and B's and A-roll honor roll students as well. We are so proud of you. Keep up the wonderful job you're doing on your academics. We look forward to this fourth quarter being completed and you continuing on to your next school year or to college. Thank you.
Here are the secondary Sharks of the Week. Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.